Hello students, now we will see the question number 3 from the exercise 2.3 of NCERT book Ganit Manjari for class 9th. Now the question is, suppose the length of a rectangle is 13 centimeter. Means एक rectangle है जिसका length 13 centimeter दिया है. Find the area if the breadth is first case 12 सेंटीमीटर. तो हमको रेक्टेंगल की एरिया बताना है कि जब उसकी ब्रेड्थ 12 सेंटीमीटर होगी, 10 सेंटीमीटर होगी और 8 सेंटीमीटर होगी तो एरिया कितनी होगी. लेंथ 13 सेंटीमीटर ही वो कांस्टेंट दिया है. फाइंड द लीनियर पैटर्न रिप्रेजेंटिंग द एरिया ऑफ द रेक्टेंगल. फिर उसको हमको लीनियर पैटर्न में बताना, मतलब लीनियर इक्वेशन बनाना है. तो इसको इस तरह से सॉल्व करेंगे. वी नो दैट एरिया ऑफ ए रेक्टेंगल इज area of a rectangle equals to length into breadth. Length into breadth. Length into breadth. Now length is given to us. Length of a rectangle equals to 13 centimeter. So length is 13 centimeter. Now we will take the first breadth, that is 12 centimeter. Now area of rectangle, area of rectangle when breadth equals to 12 centimeter. So we know the formula, length into breadth. We will get 13 into 12. We will multiply 12 3 ja 36 and 12 1 ja 12 plus 3 15. So this is 156 centimeter square. Now second, we will see the area of rectangle when breadth is 10 centimeter and length is 13 centimeter. Area of rectangle when breadth equals to 10 centimeter. So in this case area of rectangle क्या हो जाएगी? Length into breadth. So length is 13 into breadth is 10. That is 130 centimeter square. Now I will write the third case here. That is 8 centimeter. When breadth is 8 centimeter. Now area of rectangle when breadth equals to 8 centimeter. So this will become length into breadth means 13 our length is and 8 is the breadth. So this become 8 3 ja 24 and 8 1 ja 8 plus 2, that is 104. So 104. That means अभी तक हमने क्या देखा, दैट लेंथ इज कांस्टेंट, only breadth is varying 12, 10 and 8 centimeter. So accordingly our area is also varying. So therefore we will write the expression, that is linear pattern. So linear pattern representing the area of rectangle, representing the area of rectangle will be equals to 13b, because 13 is the constant given to us, the length is not varying, but varying is breadth. So it expression for this will be 13b. So in this way, this type of questions are solved. Please subscribe to my channel, like it and share it. Thank you.